Hello students, in this video I am going to talk about writing skills. Writing skills, they carry 16 marks. 4A carries 4 marks, 4B carries 4 marks, 4C carries 4 marks and 4D also carries 4 marks. In this particular video, I will tell you how to attempt a question based on comparing which carries 4 marks. Now students, in the question paper, the hint will be given to you. The hint means these topics like a brief introduction about the program, welcome song, prayer. The third one, welcoming the guest, dignitaries, felicitation, cultural event, prize distribution, chief guest speech and vote of thanks. Now what is very important? The format more or less remains same, but the introduction of the program matters a lot. Whatever be the event, please try to speak 3 to 4 lines on that. After that, the computer has to strictly follow the flow of event. Now I have written one answer which is based on Achievers Day. You can make out students, I have written the first heading, a brief introduction about the program. Then I have written about the welcome song, prayer, lightning of the lamp, welcoming the guests, dignitaries, felicitation. Then comes the cultural event, prize distribution, chief guest speech, vote of thanks. Now something more you have to add to it. I have written few quotations on felicitation, few on achievers, few more I have written on vote of thanks. My suggestion would be when you are writing this answer, at least try to write one or two quotations, maybe one on felicitation, maybe you can take one quotation on vote of thanks, or maybe you can take one quotation on achievers. Students, that is entirely up to you. That gives you an opportunity to score more than others. Thank you, students.